Hi, this is Jeet from Espressotec Sales and Service. We're just going to do a quick little video featuring the Breville Smart grinder and showing you what the display components mean. So at the very top we have the grind setting and then the grind setting indicator. So you have 25 different grind settings from press to espresso to choose how fine the grind is, and with the adjustment knob on the right you can actually choose between press coffee, espresso, and adjust the setting. The next, in the bottom left here, we have the less and more. So you have 5 settings for less and 5 settings for more. And what this does is that the Breville Smart grinder automatically adjusts the dosing as per the grind. So if you grind a coarser grind, it'll grind for a different time compared to if you have it on the espresso setting. So you can fine tune it just by using this knob to your preference. Also, when we move over to the right, you'll see that it says 2 shots. That is basically the auto dosing. So it's set to 2 shots. You can set it to 1 shot by just switching the amount to 1 shot. And then if you want to change it to 3, 4, 5 shots, you have to remove the cradle. So once the cradle is removed and you have your grounds container in place, so just remove the cradle just like that. And then once you have that done and the grounds in place, then you can actually up the dosing to basically 5 shots of espresso as a maximum, and just loops around. Now if you're grinding for drip, but let's say you were grinding for espresso earlier, but you're grinding for French press and you have it set coarse, it gives you a friendly little reminder to remove the cradle and place the ground container in. And in this mode you can actually choose between 1 cup all the way up to basically 12, and then it'll loop back around. It's a nice little feature too. That it's well engineered. We like the little things that it does, that it goes from cup, and then as soon as it goes into basically the espresso range, it'll turn back to 1 shot. So it's a neat little feature that Breville did put in. So we talked about everything, the components of the display, the adjustment knob, which adjusts the amount of coffee that gets ground, the amount button, which lets you select between how many shots or cups you're choosing, and then you have your start and cancel button. Pretty intuitive, but basically starts the grind cycle for the automatic dosing. You don't always have to use a start button. You can choose to use it, or simply just below the ground chute there's a little button on the back of the unit. So you press it once to start, press it once to cancel, or hold it down to for on-demand grinding. So hold it down for however long you want it to grind for. Last but not least, it does show error messages. So for example, if I do unlock the bean hopper, it will instantly shut out the display and it'll say lock the bean hopper, and I'll just lock you out from grinding. So that's a little quick video featuring the Breville Smart grinder, just talking about the display and the different components of it. So thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, stay tuned for the next one.